This is Groundeffected. I'm standing on a chair, and welcome to putting your fingers in places they shouldn't be. In this video, I want to put the spotlight back onto my patrons. Yes, I've done a video like this in the past before, but it's been a while and it's time to do it again. Of course, if you don't know what the Patreon is a place wherein which thouist will offer the supporteth towards an artist upon any social media platform, because this is one of the ways that you can support your favorite content creators and help keep them doing what they want to do, as well as give you content for you to watch. And because these people support so much, I feel like it's time to give some of the support back. And of course, I'm going to show off a load of the work that some of my patrons have posted up in the Discord, which is one of the things you get access to when you join Patreon. So when you join the Patreon, make sure that you connect your Discord and your Patreon together, as most of the things that happen over on Discord. I also try to upload a weekly vlog on my Patreon. This is a link that gets delivered directly to the patrons within the Discord and on Patreon itself. So if you were looking for that extra content, that's where you will find it, over on the Patreon and in the Discord group only. Once you join the Discord, you will be presented with a load of different channels. Each channel has its purpose. And of course, it wouldn't be a Patreon video if I didn't at first shout out the Artist of the Month channel. This is a channel where artists share their work and we choose at the end of the month someone to be our Artist of the Month. What happens is, I will then post their work on my Instagram, as well as shout them out in a video over here on YouTube. Some of the work that we see in this group is actually absolutely incredible. And so if you are in the Discord, the next place you probably want to look at is the Share Your Work channel. In this channel, everybody shares their work and stuff that they're working on currently. A really good example of this is someone like Bon Norden, perhaps better known on social media as Nice X. And he 3D prints things to commission. He also has models commissioned and made so that he can print them and add them to his own collection. This dude has a lot of sculpts made constantly all the time. He's always making us jealous with the amazing prints that he produces, and he does everything in super large scale. I don't think this guy understands anything under quarter scale, but he is one of the amazing patrons and he does a great job at what he does, and definitely one of the guys I'd like to spotlight in this video. And someone else who has also been contributing massively to our Discord is Citric Acid. My dude has been growing super fast since he joined the group. I've noticed his work just go from level to level to level. And this is a good example of something that he's recently painted and shared within the Share Your Work channel. Over the last few days, I've been watching the 3D Tinkerer working slowly but surely on this piece, which is coming out absolutely amazing, and it's really great to see things come together and watch the excitement grow as people build their models, projects, and everything else that they do, and the entire group joins in, and most of the time, most people get just as excited as you are with your project when you post it up. This thing is looking super sick so far, and I can't wait to see the finished results. A really good example of ingenuity is this sculpt was designed by a specific artist to be a bust only, and 3D printed 2020 spent some time with some of his own friends and they'd work together to create the rest of the sculpt. In other words, he made the legs and he made the base for it. So this is something that he put together, and I watched him paint this from the moment he had made it to the finished product we see on our screen now. Again, another really good example of the kind of people we have over on in the Discord. Someone else who, once he gets started, is probably a force to be reckoned with is Tyler's Rose. And this dude literally produces a new painted model every 3 hours. 100%, if you go onto his Instagram, you will see him post a new model almost every 3 hours. Genuinely, this dude is a machine when it comes to painting models. And also, I've watched his work grow since he joined the group. He takes information like a sponge, and he honestly has been growing the moment he joined to now. His work is starting to look absolutely amazing and is super impressive stuff. Recently, I did notice that he had started taking on some commissions. I'm not 100% sure how his commissions are, but perhaps give him a shout if you're looking at something like that. Some experimentations were happening. This is Sal R, and I don't really know what the experiment was. I can't remember. This was quite a while back. But if you look at that armor on that suit, my, that is looking absolutely fantastic. I haven't seen the finished model of this. Perhaps I have, but I don't remember seeing the finished version of this. However, this is definitely looking like it's going to turn out to be an absolutely amazing job. And of course, I'm not going to be able to mention absolutely everybody. So if I've missed your name, don't feel bad. It's not because I hate you. 100% I can't fit everybody into one short video that goes on YouTube. But I definitely have to mention Ash Thundercliff, because this dude is one of the few guys in the group who is a sculptor and a painter as well. He sculpted this link. It's his own work. He printed it and painted it using a lot of techniques that he had picked out from all across the internet. And as well as being an avid contributor to the Discord, he's also doing amazing prints and amazing paint jobs. His style is very unique, and it's uniquely him, which is one of the great things about this guy. We all know that it's an Ash piece. If Ash posts something up, it's so easy to tell this is this guy's work, this is what he does best, and he does a really great job at it. And if only Tooge didn't take photos with a potato, I would be able to show you this picture a lot better. But Tooge is also one of the patrons, and he put in a whole load of work onto this freehand. It's the tattoos on this model. It's absolutely incredible. I'm really proud of the kind of work that he's done, and I'm sure he's proud of it himself. Again, another excellent contributor to the group, and it's amazing to see these guys grow and talk amongst each other to get ideas and work on things together as a unit. It's amazing the kind of work that I see coming out of this group, and the ideas that are thrown around 9 times out of 10 are priceless. You cannot find this kind of information just randomly on the internet unless you're randomly in the Groundeffected Discord. And on the Discord, of course, we have a link page for everybody to place their links. So if you are a patron and are part of the Discord, everybody's links for their social media is in the social media link page, and it's super easy to find everyone if you want to follow them. And of course, it would not be a Discord, or at least it wouldn't be a good Discord, if you didn't have a memes page. We of course have the memes page. These are the top tier memes on the internet, 3D printer related, painting related. This is one of the best memes tier you're gonna ever find in your life, pretty much ever. What the hell is that? And there is one more channel, that is the behind the scenes channel. This is where I update everybody on the stuff that I'm working on, things that are going on behind the scenes, updates, information, as well as the vlogs and posts that people don't get anywhere else are going to be found in this channel. And of course, my computer has decided to turn into a helicopter again, so I'm going to have to go out of Discord and turn the camera back on and talk you out of this video. Like I said, it's not possible for me to show everybody off in one video, but if you would like to get to know some of these people, or even to be able to be involved in the Discord and what's going on over in there, then the best thing to do, join a Patreon, link in the description, bruh. By the way, if you didn't like anything you saw in this video, there's only one thing that I have left to say to you, and that's just click the dislike button, bruh, and f*** off. Because we all know you're gonna do that anyway, except that one guy who keeps coming back to click the dislike button.